Hello again, welcome back. This is the final bottle from my forgotten stash, my cooler box that was in my cupboard for about a year and rediscovered a couple of weeks ago. So this is Hobgoblin IPA from Wychwood Brewery in Oxfordshire, I think it is. Does it say? Wychwood Brewery. Yeah, Whitney, Oxfordshire. It's part of Marston's big brewer. So it says there are IPAs and there are legendary IPAs. Ours is legendary. A pale golden with orange glints, this beer is forged from the finest British hops and varieties gathered from the far-flung shores of the Pacific. Prepare for an intense tropical explosion of zesty oranges, grapefruit, honey and juicy bitterness. Winner of the world's best IPA award. So they're really bigging it up there, aren't they? And this is a 5.3%, so we'll see if it compares with their description. See if it lives up to the hype. You should never overhype it. The hard sell. So that's quite a dark orangey amber. Let's get, it's no bottle conditioned, that is it? No. Get a wee bit of fizz at the end there. That is, just let me check the best before date on this. Probably out of date. 30th of April 2021. So it's about, this is the 6th of July. So it's probably 3 months out of date. Anyway, that is hazy. And it's a beautiful amber orangey colour. I don't know if the camera will pick that up in my new configuration, my new setup. But let's have a wee swirl, which is quite dangerous with a Chromebook sitting there. That's an accident waiting to happen, isn't it? Release some aromas. Oh yeah, I'm getting, it's like a grapefruity, something sweeter there as well, melon or pear or something. It's quite a nice smell. But I've noticed that in the past couple of IPAs that I've had from that same stash that were out of date, they were quite old. They all had that same sort of a pear drop smell, but it was really nice. So I don't know if that's a product of the aging. Anyway, cheers my dears. That is really nice actually. I wasn't expecting it to be nice. I don't know why. I'm getting grapefruit. There is a bit of bitterness there as well. And then at the back I'm getting a bit the malty notes, the biscuity malt. It's really nice actually. Let me see what Untapped says. So it's Hobgoblin IPA, Wychwood Brewery, IPA English, 5.3 ABV, 50 IBU, that's where I'm getting the bitterness. It's had 34,444 ratings, an average of 3.53. So, heftily hopped and aroma packed, Hobgoblin IPA stays true to its ancestral traditions. Brewed with Fuggles, Goldings and Styrian hops, then amped up by the addition of some mighty American hops. This collision of old and new world hops provides an explosion of tropical aroma and a juicy bitterness, born out of character. So let's go through the tasting sheet from craftbeer.com and we'll see how it goes. So first of all, colour. That is on the chart, let me see, about a 9 or a 12, something like that. It's a orangey amber. It's actually on this sheet, they've not got the descriptions of the colours, the numbers. Whereas the one that I insert into my video has got the descriptions, but I've not got that in front of me. So when I describe it as pale amber or gold amber or whatever, I'm guessing that. Yeah. Anyway, clarity is hazy. It's not just a slight haze. Well, it is a slight haze. I can see my hand through it a bit. Colour of foam head retention is poor. The foam texture is thin. There is a wee bit of lacing, but it doesn't last very long. Carbonation, visual, I don't see any at all, none. The aroma, alcohol, mild. It's not really noticeable. The hops, well, I'm getting the citrus, I'm getting the fruity. I suppose I'm getting a bit of tropical, the pineapple. The malt is sort of a biscuity. The esters is probably, I don't know if it's the hops or the yeast, like pear, pineapple. The alcohol taste is mild. The hop flavour, yeah, I'm getting the citrus, the fruity, and the tropical. I'm also getting a bit of the piney resinous from the high IBU. It's a very complex flavour, that. It's actually, it's not as bitter. It says 50 IBU, which is middle of the road, isn't it? But I'm not really getting that much. I'm going to say it's restrained, the hop bitterness. Restrained to moderate. The malt flavour is probably a bit biscuity. The malt sweetness is fairly low. Palate astringency low. The body, what's he drying? It's sort of a drying to soft. The carbonation is low to medium. The length, well, I'm still getting that. So it does disappear eventually, about a minute. I'm saying medium up to 60 seconds. Balance and drinkability desirable. Style appropriate. So this is beer number 80 or 81. I think it might be number 81. Yeah, it is 81. And today is the 6th of July. So, a pleasant surprise, that Hobgoblin IPA. I wasn't expecting much, to be honest. But it's a nice smell. And there's quite a bit of body to it as well. It's very nice. Fruity. And bitter. Slightly bitter. So, I'd like to try it fresh. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of this new setup. Trying different lights and everything. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers for now. Very nice.